Today's material handling vehicles range from basic forklift trucks to complex automated guided vehicles. Whether simple or complex, forklift trucks are dependent upon the constant, reliable power source provided by the industrial lead-acid battery. While the lead-acid battery is a proven product, it has one significant drawback. It only lasts 8 hours. After 8 hours of use, a battery must be charged for 8 hours and cooled for 8 hours. Operations running 2 or 3 shifts must change their forklift batteries to keep their forklift trucks running. Multiple shift operations can gain a significant amount of productivity by changing their lift truck batteries as quickly as possible and by storing their batteries in the least amount of space. Changing forklift batteries manually is a tough, time-consuming job. It often requires 2 people and can take from 10 to 20 minutes to perform a complete battery exchange. That's up to 40 minutes of labor per battery exchange, and that's assuming everything runs smoothly. Accidents can happen quickly, and they're unforgiving. Even if no one is injured, the time required to get the battery back on service stands or into the forklifts is substantial. Several people and another forklift are needed to get the battery back in proper position. Productivity suffers. Since 1974, Multi-Shifter Incorporated, located in Charlotte, North Carolina, has designed and manufactured systems to help multiple shift operations manage their handling needs. We've installed over 1,000 systems worldwide. Our systems change batteries in all makes and types of forklift trucks, including counterbalance trucks, reach trucks, stock pickers, turret trucks, and pallet jacks. We also have riderless, fully automated battery handling systems working with automated guided vehicle systems. Let's view the proper type of battery exchange. The lift truck operator prepares the truck for the battery change by unplugging the leads and removing the battery gates. The multi-shifter operator selects a fresh battery from the storage stands and pulls it onto the multi-shifter vehicle with a powerful magnetic grab. The multi-shifter operator then travels to the lift truck and, by manipulating the controls, pulls the spent battery onto the multi-shifter vehicle. The multi-shifter vehicle is then repositioned and the fresh battery is moved into the lift truck. The battery cables are connected to the lift truck and the battery gate is then secured. The forklift is then ready to return to service. The multi-shifter vehicle then loads the spent battery into the storage stands. After the battery has been connected to the charger, the cycle is complete and the multi-shifter vehicle is ready for the next battery exchange. Multi-Shifter manufactures several types of battery handling systems that provide excellent value in the broad range of battery handling systems. The multi-level systems store batteries on 2 or 3 levels. We've even stored batteries 6 levels high. The multi-level systems consist of 4 main components: the multi-stacker vehicle, battery storage stands, vehicle guidance, and AC bus duct. The multi-level vehicles have a 10,000-pound capacity, enabling it to carry 2 5,000-pound batteries. The roller bed adjusts from 6.5 inches to 93 inches on standard machines. The multi-level vehicles run on 480-volt AC 3-phase input. The multi-level stands utilize a modular roller stand design for the storage of batteries. Each roller bed assembly has 2 rows of rollers. This design enables the roller bed to accommodate 2 narrow batteries or 1 wide battery. Adjustable backstops and dual front safety latches are standard equipment on each module. A floor-mounted guide rail is used to maintain proper vehicle alignment with the storage stands and the lift trucks. The vehicle is attached to the rail by 2 sets of cam followers. This method is simple and easy to maintain. The AC power bus duct is purchased from Aeromotive Incorporated. The bus duct is supported by overhead hanger assemblies which are mounted to the battery stands. Power is transferred from the duct to the vehicle by a trolley that runs inside the bus duct. The multi-shifter system stores your battery and charger inventory at floor level. Like the multi-stacker, the multi-shifter vehicle changes batteries in all brands and types of lift trucks. Turret trucks, reach trucks, order selectors, pallet trucks, counterbalance trucks, and automated guided vehicles. Our single-level stands can store more batteries at floor level than any other method in the industry. We regularly provide our customers with 30 to 60% space savings by storing batteries only 2.5 inches apart throughout the system. The guidance system for the multi-shifter is floor-mounted track working in conjunction with the two V-groove wheels on the vehicle. More multi-shifter single-level systems have been sold worldwide than any other system. 95% of these machines, manufactured since 1974, are productively changing batteries today. As the Model T was the cornerstone of dependability in the automotive industry, so the multi-shifter is the workhorse of our industry. Multi-shifter chose to design a magnetic grab rather than use existing vacuum cup technology. Both the multi-level vehicles and the single-level vehicles use multi-shifter's unique magnetic grab. The single most important part of the battery handling process is the push-pull mechanism used to move the batteries from lift trucks to storage stands. The method of attachment to the battery must be consistently reliable, or batteries will not be changed productively. Our design is stronger, more reliable, and more durable. Because of this, we back our magnets with a 5-year warranty. If it fails within 5 years, you get a new magnet free of charge. Let's take a closer look at the magnet. Multi-shifter's magnet has 1,200 pounds of drawbar pull compared to less than 900 for a vacuum cup. The magnet is 4 inches wide by 12 inches long. This footprint allows the magnet to work with batteries of all dimensions. Batteries are never perfectly aligned in the trucks or stands. Crooked batteries make for difficult battery attachment. Multi-shifter's magnets are housed in a floating yoke design that permits movement along the X, Y, and Z axis. This float keeps the magnet attached in the worst conditions when batteries are misaligned. Our magnet easily adapts to old or irregular battery trays. If the tray bows in the middle, the magnet is simply moved to the corner of the battery. Because of the strength of the magnet, it can successfully move batteries when positioned at the corner. Multi-shifter's magnet is rugged, using coils wound around an iron core as opposed to vacuum cups, which are wearable parts and must be changed regularly. Our magnet design provides the best value in the industry. When you build them best, you can back them best. That's why we back our magnet with a 5-year warranty. No vacuum system carries a 5-year warranty. We've designed an automatic battery connector called the ABC. This allows batteries to be automatically connected to chargers when they're moved into storage slots. This method can save time and eliminate human error. Batteries are always on charge when they should be. 2 integral parts of any multi-shifter battery handling system are the PWC automatic washer and the Filter 5 battery wastewater filtration unit. Batteries washed on a regular basis prevent buildup of sulfate residue, hydraulic oil from lift trucks, and general dirt and grime. Keeping the battery clean prolongs battery life by eliminating direct shorts to the battery tray. Multi-shifter's automatic washers provide a safer, more productive method of washing batteries. The operator never has to touch the battery. The washer's controls are easily accessible from the operator's platform of the multi-shifter. Batteries are moved in and out of the washer by the multi-shifter vehicle. The automatic washers contain the mess associated with washing batteries. Batteries are washed in an enclosed environment. Manually cleaning batteries is a dirty job, often requiring special safety gear such as eye shields, body suits, safety gloves, and boots. Employees may find manually washing batteries to be an undesirable chore, so they may avoid it. Batteries may not get washed as needed. Multi-shifter's automatic washers ensure that batteries are cleaned on a regular schedule by making the task safe, easy, and productive for the operators. After washing your batteries, the water used to clean the batteries is contaminated. You need to wash your water. Multi-Shifter Incorporated and Culligan have formed a partnership to create the Filter 5 Battery Wastewater Treatment Unit. Using quality Culligan components and consultation, Multi-Shifter has designed the finest filtration unit in the battery handling industry. The Filter 5 is a closed-loop system. That means you never have to dump any water down the drain in your facility. Any water dumped down your drain may be scrutinized by the Environmental Protection Agency. There are strict fines for improper release of wastewater, especially where lead is concerned. A little bit of lead goes a long way. That's why lead-based paint was outlawed. Just a quarter pound of lead can contaminate 500,000 gallons of water. The Filter 5 filtration unit removes the lead from your battery wastewater. It also removes all the other heavy metals such as copper, antimony, arsenic, as well as the chlorides, nitrates, and sulfates present in battery wastewater. The Filter 5 removes dirt, iron particles, paint, and other debris found in battery wastewater. The consistency and reliability of quick battery changes and uniform battery storage gives you management control of your battery handling operation. Forklifts can receive fresh batteries in minimal time and move product through your facility. Often there are constraints in business that prevent 100% management efficiency in a situation or area. To succeed in spite of these obstacles, the proper tools must be acquired in the form of people, machinery, facilities, and information systems. Multi-Shifter Incorporated has the proper tools and the proper knowledge to elevate the productivity of your entire forklift fleet. Give us a call. We'd like to help.